Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to talk about the highlights of a past experience in French? Welcome to 3-Step French Practice by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you will practice using superlative structures and expressive adjectives. Let's look at the main dialogue. Two people are having a conversation. Quel a été le meilleur moment de tes vacances? What was the best moment of your holidays? Le coucher du soleil sur la plage, magnifique. The sunset on the beach, magnificent. Le meilleur moment. Magnifique. This dialogue uses the French superlative to highlight the best part of a vacation. The phrase le meilleur moment means the best moment. It follows the irregular superlative structure le, la, les, meilleur plus noun. We usually don't say le plus bon, so le plus bon becomes le meilleur. Just like the most good becomes the best in English. The regular adjectives follow this structure. Le, la, les, plus, plus adjective. In the last line, the adjective magnifique is used on its own to describe the sunset. This is a common way to express opinions in French, using strong descriptive words. You'll practice both the superlative and descriptive adjectives, like délicieux, magnifique, chaleureux, or accueillant in this lesson. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? C'était le musée plus intéressant de la ville. C'était le musée plus intéressant de la ville. Le. C'était le musée le plus intéressant de la ville. C'était le musée le plus intéressant de la ville. That was the most interesting museum in the city. We use le in this sentence because musée is a masculine singular noun. And in French, the definite article in the superlative must agree with the gender and number of the noun. So we use le plus intéressant to say the most interesting for a masculine noun like musée. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Cette plage est plus tranquille que j'ai vu. Cette plage est plus tranquille que j'ai vu. La. Cette plage est la plus tranquille que j'ai vue. Cette plage est la plus tranquille que j'ai vue. This beach is the quietest I've seen. We use la in this sentence because plage is a feminine singular noun. In French, superlative adjectives follow the structure la plus and the adjective for feminine singular nouns. That's why we say la plus tranquille to mean the quietest. Notice that here we used the subjunctive mode. Que j'ai vu. This is because in a superlative sentence expressing a subjective judgment, French uses the subjunctive mode after que. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Ces plats sont plus délicieux du menu. Ces plats sont plus délicieux du menu. Les. Ces plats sont les plus délicieux du menu. Ces plats sont les plus délicieux du menu. These dishes are the most delicious on the menu. We use les in this sentence because plat is a plural noun. The definite article les is used for all plural nouns regardless of gender. So we say les plus délicieux to express the most delicious. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Ready? Ce restaurant était le. Ce restaurant était le meilleur. Ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant. Ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant notre. Ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant notre voyage. This restaurant was the best during our trip. Ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant notre voyage. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Ce café a le personnel le or la plus chaleureux du quartier. Ce café a le personnel le or la plus chaleureux du quartier. Le. Ce café a le personnel le plus chaleureux du quartier. This cafe has the warmest staff in the neighborhood. We use le in this sentence because personnel is a masculine singular noun. In the superlative, we use le plus chaleureux to say the warmest, matching both gender and number. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? C'était la plage, la or les, plus propre que j'ai jamais vue. C'était la plage, la or les, plus propre que j'ai jamais vue. La. C'était la plage la plus propre que j'ai jamais vue. That was the cleanest beach I've ever seen. We use la in this sentence because plage is a feminine singular noun. The correct superlative form is la plus propre, which means the cleanest. The article la agrees with the feminine noun. Here we also used the subjunctive mood que j'ai jamais vu. This is because in a superlative sentence expressing a subjective judgment, French uses the subjunctive mood after que. Let's translate some sentences into French. Translate This village is the most welcoming in the region, into French. Ce, meaning this, followed by village, meaning village. Next, est, the third person singular present tense of être, meaning is, followed by le. The masculine singular definite article used here to agree with village. Next, plus accueillant. Meaning most welcoming, followed by de la région. Meaning of the region. We use le plus accueillant in this sentence because village is a masculine singular noun. The structure le plus plus adjective is used to express the most adjective, and le agrees with the masculine noun. Ce village est le plus accueillant de la région. Ce village est le plus accueillant de la région. This village is the most welcoming in the region. Translate, this is the most relaxing vacation we've had, into French. Ce, a demonstrative pronoun meaning this, followed by son. The third person plural present of être, meaning are, used here to match the plural subject. Next, les vacances. Meaning the holidays or vacation, followed by les. The plural definite article. Next, plus relaxante. Meaning most relaxing, where relaxante agrees in gender and number with vacances, followed by que. A relative pronoun meaning that. Next, nous. Meaning we, followed by ayons. The present subjective of avoir, used after que. Next, eu. The past participle of avoir, agreeing in gender and number, with vacances, feminine plural. We use les plus relaxantes in this sentence because vacances is a feminine plural noun. Superlative adjectives must agree in gender and number. So, relaxante has the es ending to match les vacances. Les is used for the plural. Ce sont les vacances les plus relaxantes que nous ayons eues. Ce sont les vacances les plus relaxantes que nous ayons eues. This is the most relaxing vacation we've had. Translate, this movie was the best I saw this year, into French. Ce, meaning this, followed by film, meaning movie. Next, était. The third person singular imperfect tense of être, meaning was, followed by le. The masculine singular definite article. Next, meilleur. The irregular superlative form of bon, meaning best, followed by que. A relative pronoun meaning that. Next, je. A contraction of je, meaning I, followed by ai vu. The passé composé of voir, meaning so. Next, cette année. Meaning this year. We use le meilleur in this sentence because meilleur is the irregular superlative form of bon and is used instead of le plus bon. Here, film is masculine singular, so we use le meilleur to mean the best. Ce film était le meilleur que j'ai vu cette année. Ce film était le meilleur que j'ai vu cette année. This movie was the best I saw this year. Listen to me as I speak. Which superlative form is used in the sentences? C'était le musée le plus intéressant de la ville. Let's listen one more time. C'était le musée le plus intéressant de la ville. Did you hear le plus? Le plus, meaning the most, is used here to form the masculine singular superlative with the adjective intéressant. It matches the masculine noun musée and emphasizes that it stands out among others. How about ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant notre voyage? Let's listen one more time. Ce restaurant était le meilleur pendant notre voyage. Did you hear le meilleur? Le meilleur is the irregular superlative form of bon, good. It means the best and is used here with the masculine noun restaurant. Next, c'était la plage la plus propre que j'ai jamais vue. One more time. C'était la plage la plus propre que j'ai jamais vue. Did you hear la plus? La plus, meaning the most, is the feminine singular superlative form. It agrees with the feminine noun plage and adds emphasis to the adjective propre. And ce sont les vacances les plus relaxantes que nous ayons eues. One more time. Ce sont les vacances les plus relaxantes que nous ayons eues. Did you hear les plus? Les plus is the plural superlative form used here with vacances, a feminine plural noun. It highlights that these holidays were more relaxing than any others. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to talk about the highlights of a past experience in French. And now you can move on to the next lesson in the past way. Au revoir!